Welcome back everyone, hope you're all doing well. Today it's the 5th of October and I'm going to be tidying up the garden. I'm going to be doing a bit of pruning and just general kind of tidying around the garden. Need to sweep the decking, prune a few plants, pick up some fallen leaves. I will be covering the bar in the next week or so. It's been quite mild here in the UK for the last few weeks and we are in for some really nice weather over the next few days. But then next week it looks like it's going to be dropping in temperature and we'll be getting lots of rain. So I wanted to cover up the bar before that happens. The garden's still looking really nice for October. Still got quite a few begonias in flower. The Alstroemeria, as always, is looking stunning. And we've even got a flower coming on one of the cannas. The cannas didn't really do too well this year. I think I only had one flower all summer, but it was very up and down with the weather. I think the plants got a bit confused. The hot lips is flowering, and then this begonia is also flowering. I also noticed that the hibiscus has already flowered, but I missed it. There's still a couple left, but we had some stormy weather over the last week, so I didn't really come out in the garden too much, so this is when the flowers probably came out. I'm not sure if there's any buds left. I think it's finished now. These are really beautiful. These usually flower late August, so it's been very late flowering this year. All the bananas are looking lovely, but a bit shredded, again from the stormy winds that we've had over the last week or so. And there's still some bananas left on this banana plant. So this plant will now die back, but it's okay because there's lots of pups that will take its place next year. Last year my centre banana flowered and fruited, so I lost that one. But then these have grown really big this year, so it doesn't even really look like there's one missing. Fuchsia's looking really pretty. My tree fern's looking quite good considering that I didn't think it would do too well this year after the winter we had, and the crown had closed up a little bit, but it's looking really great. Same with this one here, it's doing alright. I did lose the one in my front garden, which is a shame, but luckily these two are okay. The Canna musifolia didn't do very well this year. Usually this gets to about 6 foot tall, but as I said, we did have some rather turbulent weather, so it hasn't really done very well this year, which is a bit of a shame. Still growing, but not as tall as it should be. All the colocasia are looking nice. Most of these are pink chinas, although there is an esculenta here. And again, this hasn't done very well either this year. Usually this gets really big. That's the one that I dig up. But all the pink chinas stay in the ground. They have multiplied quite a bit. So I'm going to go ahead and start tidying up the garden, and then I'll show you afterwards how it's looking. This is the before.